Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a INFLUSNSTER unboxing video. Actually, I'm a little surprised and shook by this. Never got an email, never got anything saying I was supposed to get a box. My husband texted me while I was at work and goes, "Were you supposed to get an INFLUSNSTER box?" And I said, "Nothing I'm aware of." And when I got home that night, an email had finally popped up saying that I had got qualified for a INFLUSNSTER box. And I'm actually a little excited. So this one says fragile liquid, handle with care. And the box just looks something like this. Hopefully I'm not showing you my address. So yeah, with all other ado, let's dive into this bad boy and see what we got in here, okay? Ooh! Alright, so we have the Shea Moisture, and this is the Purple Rice Water and Wild Orchid. And this is a shampoo and a conditioner, and it is a full size, you guys. Holy, I've actually read a lot. I've never used these products before, and I've actually read a lot of reviews about these, and because I was looking for something for like really thick coarse hair, and this brand came up, so I'm actually really excited to see what these will do. I actually need to wash my hair tonight, so I'll be putting these bad boys to use, so I can't wait to see. So this one says it is a color treating, okay, so it is strength plus color care conditioner, nourishing and balanced color maintenance and care. It is sulfate free and color safe, and it is a 12-point fluid ounce bottle, if you're wondering. In the, okay, so this is the conditioner. I'm getting a little excited, can you guys tell? So this is a 13.5 fluid ounce for the shampoo. I don't know why shampoo is always bigger than conditioner, because if you are a girl who suffers with thick coarse hair, you know conditioner is your savior in the shower. So, alright, so this says it's like a lilac scent, which I can't really smell. Let's make sure there's nothing else in here. Alright, so there is nothing else, so all I got was a shampoo and conditioner. A-okay with me. Be thankful for what you get. Be thankful for what you get. I can't express that enough to people. You just sit around and you watch people like getting so angry because they don't have these things, and it's like, just be thankful for what you have. Time will come. Alright, so let's see what this smells like. Alright, so it has a protecting thing. I need to wash my hair. Ooh. Anyways. Ooh, God. This smells so good. It doesn't smell like lilac. It just smells like really clean shampoo. A lot of times I notice the scents are in conditioners. So let's see if I get some kind of scent from the conditioner. Because I feel like the shampoo is only like legitimate, like just meant to clean your hair. And then the conditioner is like there to protect it and all that stuff. That's why I feel like shampoos never smell as good as conditioners. Alright. Oh, God. Okay. I still isn't smelling like a lilac. It's just a very clean scent, which I like. So, yeah. I can't wait to use this, you guys. So, this wasn't that big of an unboxing because, like I said, I didn't really know what I was getting. And I do like that this is a pump, so you can just squirt it in your hands and go. Alright, so all it's really saying is Purple Rice Water and Wild Orchid. Once reserved for royalty, purple rice combines with wild orchids and sweet violet extract, and these strengthening formulas for everyone to help combat unwanted brassy tones while softening and detangling. Like, maybe it will work because I am trying to lighten my hair, and I do notice like my hair looks a little like caramel coloring, and that's not really like what I was going for. I'm trying to get my hair back to the bleach blonde. So the shampoo restores hair to a stronger, healthier state. We recommend using the shampoo 1 to 2 times a week. And then the conditioner locks in and moistures nurturing strands back to health, which I do need. Gently comb through from roots to ends and leaves in for up to 3 minutes. So how to get started, obviously, if you guys, I will have the link to Influenster down in my description box if you are curious. All Influenster is a site where you go and you, products that you have used, products you have bought, you just go on there and you write all your reviews, and then once you stack up your points, and then also don't forget to add your social medias, you guys, because your social medias play a big role in Influencer. So make sure you add your Facebook, Instagram. If you do have a YouTube, add your email, I think it is. Just add any social media. It does give you a platform of which you can add. Add everything that you have, which ranks up your points and gives you 10 times more qualifications to receive a free vlog box from Influencer. So you can get goodies like this to test out in your home, and you guys, all you got to do is review it on your site underneath your badge, and that qualifies you for another free vlog box. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and as always, I upload every 3 days due to working purposes. I'll see you very soon in my next video. You're beautiful. Stay true to yourself. Do what makes you feel confident. Get up every morning and fuck those haters, because all they're going to do is talk shit about you regardless of what you do, what you look like. Whatever you do, somebody's going to have something to say about you, girl. So yeah, see you guys.